It turns out a Boeing 777 and a Boeing 737 United Airlines are going to be racing each other because the both of them will be taking off. So here comes the 737, and then the 777. Here comes 737. And we just wait. So the Boeing 777-222 will be taking off soon. Probably. Oh wait. Oh, it's taking off now. Guys, go to George Bush Intercontinental Airport, cause there's good planes to see here. I didn't even take a picture or record earlier about a parked FedEx MD-11. Hopefully that one, it's gonna go take off later though. But here comes Boeing 777-222 United Airlines. Wouldn't that look kind of similar to the one at the air show? Well, maybe though. Maybe if it did. Alright, now we just wait for the planes to come.